In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make field required in Docusign, 5 minutes. Making a field required ensures your signer can't complete the document until they've filled in the information you need. It's quick, reliable, and helps you avoid incomplete or delayed agreements. First, sign into your Docusign account and head to your dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the home screen where you can start a new envelope. Think of an envelope as the package that holds your document, recipients, and settings. Next, click Start and upload the document you want to send. You can drag and drop a file or browse from your computer or a connected cloud service. Give it a moment to process. Docusign will prepare a preview where you'll add your fields. Now add your recipients. Enter the email addresses of the people who need to sign or complete information, and assign each one the correct role. If you have more than one recipient, confirm the signing order so the document routes in the right sequence. When that looks good, click Next to open the editor. On the left side, you'll see a panel of fields you can place on the document, like signature, date signed, text, checkbox, and more. Before you drag a field, make sure the correct recipient is selected at the top of the panel so the field is assigned to the right person. Then drag the field onto the exact spot in your document where you want the signer to interact. You can resize or nudge it for a clean layout. Click the field you just placed to open its properties. This is where you fine-tune behavior and instructions. You'll see options specific to the field type, along with general settings that control how the signer completes it. Find the required toggle in the properties, turn this on to make the field mandatory. For text fields, this prevents the signer from finishing without entering a value. For checkboxes or radio groups, it ensures they make a selection before proceeding. If helpful, add a tooltip or placeholder text to guide the signer on what to enter. And consider basic validation, like numbers only, to keep your data consistent. Once everything is configured, click Save or Apply in the properties, give your document a quick review, and then click Send. Your recipients will see a clear indication that the field is required, and Docusign won't allow them to complete the envelope until it's filled in. That's all it takes to make fields required and keep your workflows accurate and efficient.